Magmata. Ball is stolen. Here is Katunggal. Pinasa sa gitna si Nausaw. Goes to the screen. Slice. Bakit? Gamit. Agmata. And reverse layup. Step bakit? Para kay Poyo. And pass to the middle. Badua. Pull up G. Bullseye! Welcome to Championship. Ilocos Norte, Davinci Cup, De La Cruz versus Polende. Batak versus Pinili. First ball possession, Batak. To the wings, fires at 3. Short. Rebound, De La Cruz. First. Abriol, the long pass. Assist with the ball now at the wings. Pass to Abriol. Abriol dribble the ball. Pass to Asis. Asis attacks against Magmata. Ball is stolen. Here is Katunggal, drives, pinasa sa gitna si Nausaw. All the long pass, and here's far short. Not good. And here's Puyot, Puyot stops. Pass to Katunggal. Katunggal against Abriol. He spins, goes inside, libre si De La Cruz. 6. And here's number 27, Badua. Abriol, Baldugo. Abriol goes to the screen. And for 3. Pakubat na good. Katunggal against 3 defender. Pass to the middle. Agmata. And reverse layup. Tebake para kay out. To the middle. Abriol stops, speaks. And pass to Baldugo. Baldugo goes inside. Delays too strong. Rebound. Puyot. Katunggal. Katunggal inherit. To the rim. Bakit? 10-0. Bounce pass. Pass back Puyot. Pinasa babalik. Oh! Tic-tac Tomas! The score! And the pass. Badua. Abriol. Pass to Pakubat. Picks. Stops. Pinabitin, rejected. Offensive. Katunggal against 3 defender. Side step, lace. Oh, in and out. Rebound. Puyot. Bakit? Double pass. 3 against 1. Inside pass, lace. Crisostomo with the finish. Crisostomo. Lain. Lain goes inside. Pass. Ball is stolen again. And the pass, fires, bucket! He dribbled the ball. Attacks, goes inside, rejected. Corner, pull up J. Very good. Ang alat nyo. Seconds of play. And he spins. That's the end. End of the... Wasay. He stops to Celon. Inside pass. He's stolen. Arcangel. Side step floater. Nugget too strong. Arcangel to De La Cruz. Basket and 1. The middle ball is stolen. 3-on-1 ang laban. Ewan ko na lang. Pakubat list. Uy! Talsik pa. Oh! Shit! Uy! Uy! Puyot. Baroga. Baroga goes to the middle to Arcangel. Inside pass. The Cruz hook shot. Bucket. Number 7 goes to the screen. Attacks. Slice. Bucket. Gamit. 21-point lead for Batak to Arcangel. Against Gamit. Oop. Arcangel. Inside pass. Fix. Clutch. Bucket. Mata. And... Puyot, crossover, lace, bucket, Puyot. Baroga, lumusot, spins, pass to Puyot, behind the back, attack to the middle, lost the handle, recover, fires, rejected by foul. Puyot, crossover, spins, post up, bounce pass to Mata, recover to Puyot, inside pass, De La Cruz too strong, put back, De La Cruz with the strong move. Pass to the middle, Badua holds the ball. Goes to the middle against Puyot, bump. He stops. Baldugo, floater, bucket, Baldugo. Puyot stops to the middle. De La Cruz, corner pass. Regonan is De La Cruz, reverse layup. Very good. Rebound. And here's Team Pinili. Bounce pass, Laen. Laen kicks out. Wild open, Pakubat. Bam! Bounce pass, ball is stolen. 2-on-1, Pinasa. Liz, bakit? Laen! And Puyot, long pass. And Riggs, Agmata. Mata, pass, out. Traveling. Line crossover against Baroga. And pass to the middle. Badwa. Pull up G. Bullseye! Here's Laen. Laen. High pass to the middle. Badwa. We dribble the ball. Badwa between the legs. Speaks. Spins. Bounce pass. Open look. Baldugo. Bullseye! And here's Sagun. Pass. Ata. Rigonan for the inbound to Puyot. Puyot. Attacks to the middle, inside pass, Mata. High foul. Abriol kicks out. Pakubat kicks out. 4-3. 1-2. Rebound, 15. Bakit? Abriol pass to Pakubat. Bounce pass. Attacks. Goes inside. Pinabitin. In and out. Rebound De La Cruz. Puyot. Mata. Mata pass to De La Cruz. And to Puyot. Puyot. Bump, spins. Loss. Oh, nalagkag. Pa-inside pass. Libre. Easy to Mata. Real pass. And open. Deep 3. Oh. Puyot. Stops. Cross pass. And Mata. Liz. Yes, sir. Mata. And Gamit, crossover behind the back, side step, inside pass, the Halio pass, and the finish! Stops pass to Kodamon, cross pass, De La Cruz, Puyot, pass at 3, short, rebound, Baldugo. And Gamit, create space, pull up J, bakit, Gamit! To Puyot. Pass to Mata. Pull up J. Bakit? Done. 17-point lead. Puyot. Against Baldugo. Ipas. Sagun. Drives. Inside pass. Stolen. And a pass break. And place. Bakit? Down to 6. Baroga. Dribble the ball, spins. Pass to Mata to the middle. Pinabitin, pinasa pa. Bakit? That extra pass. Baroga, pass to De La Cruz. Baroga. And pass back De La Cruz. Inside pass Mata. To Puyot. Bump. Lost the handle. Pass break ngayon. Nauna na si Gamit. Kinaliwa. Easy to Gamit. Comes Pinili. Stops. Pass to the middle. Assist against De La Cruz. Pass to Pakubat. Gamit, bounce pass. Attacks, bounce pass. Stolen. And the pass break. And Kodamon lays. Bakit Kodamon? Pakubat. Pass to Wasay. Pass to corner. Open look. Bang! And yes, Baroga. Dribble the ball. And style spins. Traveling. Ooh. Pass to Laen. Laen stops. Corner, open 3. Bang! Dalawa yung guardia. Pass. Puyot. Holds the ball, spins. Attack, side step, lays. Too strong. Rebound De La Cruz. Basket and 1. Wasay cross the mid lane between the legs. And attacks. Lays. Rejected. By Wasay. Just inside. Bounce. Fakes. Rejected. And stolen. Puyot. Pass to Arcangel. Dribbling the ball. Pass. Inside pass. Sagun. Long pass. Puyot. Decided to take it easy. Inside pass. Mata. Vampires. Basket and 1. Laen cross the mid lane, crossover, attacks, create space, pass to Agaran, inside pass, is stolen by Puyot, And Sagun recover. Lace. Bucket. Sagun. Stolen. Lain. Lace. Rejected. Pass. Pace. And dribbling the ball. He pass. Okay. Sagun. Crossover. Attacks. Inside pass. To the middle. Pull up J. Bucket. And Ebriol. Stolen. And Sagun dive. Lace. Yes, sir. And here's Gamit. Bump. Lace. Pass. Crisostomo. Lace. Yes, sir. Crisostomo. Gamit. Crossover. Gamit's attacks. Lace. Too strong. And the pass. And Amata. Puyot side step. Lace. Yes, sir. Puyot. Backdoor inbound. Here's Gamit. Bounce pass. Assist. Kicks up here. The middle. Pull up J. Badwa. Bullseye at the buzzer. Gamit. Cross the mid lane. Gamit. Attacks. Goes inside to the middle. Pull up J. Badwa. Bullseye. Gamit. Side step. Lumipad. Nugget. Crisostomo. Pass to Arcangel. Arcangel crossover. Inside pass. Sagun. Yes, ito. Sagun. Pass break now. And pass lap. Kubat. Pinabitin pa Kubat. Bounce pass. Sagun. Lumusot. Recover. Sa gitna Mata. Puyot goes to the middle. Corner. Arcangel. Bullseye. Lain. Against Puyot. Lain. Lace. Bucket. Lain. And Puyot. Badwa. Baroga. Tap. Arcangel. Baroga. Floater. Up to inside. Pass. Bucket. De La Cruz. Bound. High pass to Arcangel. Pass back. And Puyot. Post up. Inside pass. Bounce pass. Arcangel. Nugget. And rebound. De La Cruz. Reject. Basket. Lain. Pass to Wasay. Pass to the middle. Bounce pass. Post up. Pass. Floater of the window. Bucket. And Arcangel. Hook pass. Inside pass. Libre. Easy bucket. And one pass. And Wasay. Open three. Lain. Nugget. Bang! To Lain. Inside pass. Bagal Dagan. And the pass. Oh, rejected! Oh, offensive foul! And here's Bautista side step. Fires. Bucket. Bautista. Arabe. Villanueva. Oh! And inside pass. Takes. Oy! Congratulations!